to Dlux Motorsports. Today we got a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Thing has a ton of upgrades on it. We'll go through a whole list for you guys. It's got a 3.5-inch lift kit by Rough Country. We got some fuel rims, some Mastercraft tires. Still got pretty good tread on the tires still. It's got some 35 by 12 50/20s on it. Some 20 by 12 rims, by the way. So it does got some width to it. As you can see, it does got a nice little bit of stance there. We just put in new upper and lower control arms. Thing's been put through maintenance pretty good. It's ready to go all spring and summer long. It's got some amp electric step rails here for you. Those right there are a real nice upgrade. They're not cheap either, so that is a plus for a vehicle this cheap. Going back to the front here, we got an upgraded steel front bumper. Attached to that steel front bumper is a 10,000-pound winch. So if you do a lot of off-roading, you need to help somebody get out, you can pull them right out with that. It's got a front LED bar right across the hood. Also got new ball joints. This thing's just ready to go all around. You'll have a fun summer with it for sure. We'll take a look at the interior real quick for you guys. It's got cloth seats, a little bit like a tan gray color. WeatherTech floor mats. A little bit of some custom upgrades the previous owner had done. A little bit of camo wrap around the radio, some orange. All of this is removable on the inside, so if this is not your style, you can always remove this. You can go back to just a base color and take off this also if it's not your style. But let's check out the back. Got the radio or the speakers up there. Color match too. All together, it's a real nice vehicle. Check it out on our website at dluxmotorsports.com. Pretty sure the list price for this one is $21,995. So for the vehicle it is, and only having 100-some thousand miles on it, it's a really good vehicle if you want to have some summer fun in it. Check it out, Dlux Motorsports.